Hello friends, today I am going to share with you how to install WordPress on Hostinger. So first of all, I will open Hostinger account and click on manage button. After that, I will go to the website section and click on auto installer. After that, I will go to the WordPress section and click on first number WordPress section. Here is select button, click on this. After that, I will select a domain on which we want to install WordPress website. After that, we will create administrator password. And enter website title like new product. After complete this process, go to install button and click install button. So WordPress is installing. After that, click on cut button. So here we have installed WordPress on second number link and click on this link. So finally WordPress website has been created successfully. After that, I will click on WordPress section on second number link. After that, click on edit website. So finally WordPress dashboard has been opened successfully. Here we can customize your website easily. So in this way we can install WordPress on Hostinger.